Picture this. You're a kid growing up in the 80s. We've got the best toys, the most awesome cartoons. We've got killer music, and we've got movies like RoboCop. That movie was a sci-fi dream for a young kid. It was a sleek, brutal sci-fi world that just oozed future. But for me, RoboCop wasn't the star of the show. It was this guy, ED-209. It was a two-legged monster, a walking weapons platform bristling with miniguns and rocket launchers, and it had this terrifying mechanical clunk when it walked. It was part tank, part mecha chicken, but it was all 80s. If you grew up loving robots, action figures, and futuristic sci-fi like me, then you're in good company. ED-209 just kind of stuck with me over the years. I just kept thinking as I got older, what if I could build something like that? A real, walking, two-legged robot. I guess that's why I got into 3D printing over 15 years ago. I started with a little tracked robot, and I was desperate to give it some legs, but life just kind of got in the way. Until now. We are living in insane times. Tech we only dreamed about back then, affordable motors, powerful microcontrollers, AI, 3D printing, CNC. It's accessible now. So after 20 plus years of thinking about it, I'm finally going to do it. I'm going to build an ED-209 inspired bipedal walking robot, and I'm going to document every step of it on this channel. The wins, the losses, the fails, the late night debugging sessions. This series is going to cover everything: the design, the manufacture, the electronics, the coding, maybe even some AI along the way. But yeah, I'm going to make plenty of mistakes so that you don't have to, but I'm going to make them on the internet where they should be. This channel's small, but it's reached some incredible people since I started it. I've got messages from folks building robotic garden tools, hacking drones, building solutions for disabled people. Even one big name YouTuber used my code to automate a full-size main battle tank. It's small, but it has a mind-blowing reach, and so my hope in doing all this is that I might inspire one of you to get up off the couch, tinker, experiment, make something awesome. And I'm not monetized yet. Honestly, I'm funding this myself right now. It's expensive, so progress is going to take time. But if you interact with my channel, it helps. Like, seriously. Subscribe, please. You have 10 seconds to comply. So buckle up. This is going to be a long-haul build series full of real progress, undoubtedly real screw-ups, and hopefully some robot steps that actually work. If you're into robots, sci-fi, 80s nostalgia, or just watching someone chase a childhood dream, then join me. In the next video, I plan to get off on the right foot. Or the left foot. I can't actually remember which one I built. But hopefully looking at this thing should give you an idea of the scale. It's not going to be small. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it, and drop me a comment. I'd love to know what your favorite piece of 80s tech was, or what your favorite 80s robot was. Was it ED-209? Was it something else? And what do you want to see out of a robot build series? Maybe you can drop me a comment and we can craft this thing together. So thanks for watching. Let's build the future one clunky mecha chicken robot step at a time.